Hey guys, welcome to the Motor Marvin's YouTube channel. So I bought this Honda Dio Af34, which is in pretty good condition mechanically. It has tubeless tires, telescopic suspension, and disc brakes for better performance. It has a pretty nice looking speedometer that shows the speed, fuel, indicators, and low oil light. Overall, it has a pretty sleek and ergonomic look. The gas tank is below with a 5-liter capacity, and to its right is a compartment for spark plug. The Scooty has a 50cc air-cooled engine which could go up to about 6,500 revolutions per minute. The Scooty is really fast as it goes above 60 kilometers an hour. On the left side, there is a box for replacing the air filter, below which is a kickstarter that is connected with the CVT box. The seat has a leather cover with soft cushioning that makes the Scooty really comfortable when driving it. Let's open up the storage compartment that is below the seat, which is used for storing a helmet. The previous owner has put a battery in it. There is also the oil tank with a capacity of 1.31 liters as the Scooty mixes oil and fuel to run. The storage compartment is pretty spacious. That needs a little bit of love. Now let's start this baby up. The engine is in good condition as it turns on straight away. The Scooty has a self-start, but the battery is weak, as the previous owner has put an old, weak battery that doesn't fit in it. The Scooty also has a horn, indicators, and high and low beam for the front light. I bought this Scooty as a project, so it needs work cosmetically to get the Scooty perfect again. The previous owner has done some shady experiments, but now the Scooty is in safe hands. Thank you for watching, and subscribe. Also turn on the bell notification for more amazing content. Till next time, bye-bye.